Hey there, pen enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into why fountain pens are still cool in 2025. Yeah, you heard me right, fountain pens. First off, let's talk about the feel. Fountain pens glide on paper like a skater on ice. It's super smooth, making writing an absolute pleasure. And let's be real, that tactile sensation is something ballpoints just can't match. Now, the ink. Fountain pens use water-based ink, which means vibrant colors and endless options. And want your notes in turquoise? No problem. Maybe some sepia for those vintage vibes. Sorted. It's a creative playground. Next up, eco-friendliness. Unlike disposable pens, fountain pens are refillable. Just think about how many plastic pens you've tossed in the bin. With a fountain pen, you're reducing waste and embracing sustainability. Mother Earth will thank you. Let's not forget the craftsmanship. Each fountain pen is a work of art. From the nib to the barrel, they're crafted with precision and care. Owning a fountain pen is like holding a piece of history, a connection to the golden age of writing, and of course, the community. Fountain pen enthusiasts are some of the most passionate people you'll meet. There's a whole world of pen pals, forums, and meetups. It's a hobby that brings people together, sharing tips, inks, and stories. So, if you're looking to elevate your writing experience, consider giving fountain pens a try. They're stylish, eco-friendly, and downright fun. In 2025, they're not just cool, they're timeless. Thanks for watching and happy writing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more pentastic content.